So today I'm going to be making heart shape. I'm going to be showing you a simple method of making heart shape. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to get the parts you need, right? Then when you're done, you're going to take that part into two. Divide it into two equal sections like this. Okay, let's ensure it's equal. We're going to do that for this. Okay. Now, once we're done with that, right, let's check. Just remaining a little bit. Yeah. Once we're done with that, we're going to create a V shape. A V shape. Okay. So we're going to create a V shape, right? On this side and on the other side as well. Ensure the both of them are equal so that both of them are uniform. Great. Now, we're going to make the hair from this point round to this side, then this point round to this side. So let's get it done. So we're going to start from here. So we're going to use all the principles we've learned from regular cornrow from the one up to this point. Please, if you've not washed it, go down and wash it. So we want to leave little gaps as we move along. One thing with this style is that you have to move along the parts as you make the curve. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm moving along so that I don't block the camera, as well as getting a good position to make the hair. So as you move along, one thing is certain, the thickness of the hair in your hand would be more. So that requires that you have much grip on the hair, especially if you are using extension for this part. Even without extension, as you move down, because the base is more bulky, it's usually thicker. So here we're done with the first part. So you leave it, you don't finish that first part. Then you start the second part. Always start with tiny bits. So I'm starting with tiny hair and gently make the cornrow and form the curve. As you form the curve, you move along the curve. Okay, so you move along and add hair in bits, but avoid the mistake of leaving large gaps in between so that it will come out firmly. So the next process is to join the both together. Now here's the difficult part about joining it. Now you want to pick it one strand after the other. If you join the whole hair together, you're going to have a lumpy end. So you want to join it one strands of it, the hair, one after the other. You know, there are 3 strands, 3 hair. So you add it one by one. That is the trick to making neat heart shape. Okay. So now, if you also have hair at this point, this is where you add the hair to continue the style. But for this particular one, I'm not adding any other style. I'm just making just the heart shape for now. And let's see the final look and you tell me what you think. So this is day 14 of the Cornrow Confidence Challenge. If you need more clarity, join me on Monday live on YouTube and I'll be there to guide you. Also, there's a Telegram group. I'll put the link in my bio. Please do where to check it. This is the final look. See what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Here we go. This is the heart shape. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.